This is yoga for bloating, cramps, and gas. We're going to do light twists and stretches to help alleviate the symptoms in your abdomen. We're going to need 1 or 2 blocks for the Garland pose today. My name is Kolende, and let's get started. Find a comfortable seat. And if you'd like to, you can bring your hands to your belly. Feel free to close your eyes or softly gaze down your nose. This is about acknowledging your abdomen and whatever symptoms you're experiencing right now. This is also about knowing that you're dedicating this practice toward your belly today. With loving and kind energy, take a gentle breath into your belly and a soft breath out. Take one more healing inhale and a slow exhale. And flutter your eyes open and meet me in tabletop, please. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hip bones. Inhale, cow, drop your belly, soar your heart forward, roll your shoulders back. Exhale, cat, pull your belly button in, dome your spine and tuck your chin in. 2 more times, breathe in, lower your belly. Exhale, pull your belly button in. Inhale. And exhale. Nice. Come back to neutral spine. Bring your knees together and your feet. Tuck your toes under. And then slowly shift your weight back to arrive in a Yogi Squat. Open your knees wide and place your hands in between. And you can choose whatever you need right now. Maybe just rocking forward and back is what you need. Or extend your hands a little more forward to fold a little deeper. Feel into your abdomen and sense what it needs right now. And for a twist, walk your hands over to your right side. And then slowly over to your left side. Awesome. Come back to the center, all the way to all fours again. Now slide your right foot forward, right where your right hand is. With hooked thumbs, just like that. Breathe in, come into crescent moon. Send your arms overhead and breathe. Find length in your spine, in your abdomen. Take one more breath in. Exhale, twist over to your right side. Plant your left hand outside of your right leg. Reach your right arm back. And breathe in, arms up high, high button. And exhale, lower your hands and shift your weight back. Come all the way down. And you can either extend your leg or bring your right leg in, whatever you need. And just fold here. Nice, and slowly press yourself back forward into tabletop. Bring your right leg back. And now slide your left foot forward right where your left hand is. With hooked thumbs again, breathe in for crescent moon. Lift your arms up high into the sky. And breathe. Create length in your torso, in your belly. And take one more breath in. And exhale, twist over to your left side. Plant your right hand outside of your left leg. Reach your left hand back. And breathe in, arms up. And exhale, lower your hands, shift your weight back. Again, you have the option to keep your left leg long or bring it in. And just fold here for a moment. Beautiful. And slowly press yourself back up, come onto all fours. And sweep your hands forward to arrive in puppy pose. Keep your hips over your knees and rest on your forehead. Beautiful. And slowly walk your hands back in, press yourself up, and guide your knees all the way toward the top of your mat. Grab one block or maybe two and place that block right behind your feet. Tuck your toes under, shift your weight back, and take a seat on your block. And use that now, that support, to walk your feet wider. So your toes are outside, your heels are inside. Bring your palms together in front of your heart and use that strength to press your elbows into your inner thighs. Pull your navel in, lift your sternum, roll your shoulders down your back. This is your Malasana, your Garland or vertical frog pose. Just hold here for a moment and breathe. Awesome job. And slowly release your hands. Bring your feet back together. Shift your weight forward. Remove your block or your blocks. And lower down to your mat. Come all the way down. And hug your knees in. Squeeze in tightly. And hold on to your shins. And then roll out your legs into one direction. And then switch. Great. Now hold on to your right leg with both hands and then either bend your left leg or extend it all the way forward. Take a breath in. Exhale, pull your right knee closer to your right armpit. For half happy baby, bring your right hand either on top of your thigh or on your calf or your foot. Place your left hand on top of your belly to acknowledge it, to show it love and self-care. Beautiful. Capture your right leg again with both hands. Take a breath in, squeeze it in. And exhale, supine twist. Roll your right knee over to your left. Sweep your left hip underneath your right. And rest your arms however feels best for you. Beautiful. And come back to center with your knees. Capture your legs, squeeze them in. Hold on to your left leg. Either bend your right leg or extend it all the way forward. Take a breath in. Exhale, pull your left knee closer to your left armpit. For half happy baby, place your left hand either on top of your thigh, your calf, or your foot. And rest your right hand on your belly to send it healing and loving energy. Nice. And capture your left leg with both hands again. Take a breath in, squeeze it in. Exhale, supine twist. Guide your left knee over to your right as you scoot your right hip underneath your left. And rest your arms however you had it before. And slowly bring your knees back to center. Hug them in once more. And for happy baby, place your hands either on your thighs, your calves, or your feet. And pull your knees down toward the outside of your rib cage. And maybe rock from side to side. Or extend one leg, then the other. Whatever feels good. And slowly release. Bring your feet down, hip width distance underneath your knees. Hands down by your side. Inhale, bridge pose. Press your hips up into the sky. Use the strength of your glute muscles to lift them a little higher. Option to interlace your hands underneath your sacrum. Roll your shoulders under more. Elevate your heart space. Press down through your heels. Take one more deep inhale. Lift a little higher. And exhale, arrive in reclined bound angle. Bring the soles of your feet together. Open your knees wide. And you may bring your hands back to your belly to rest here a little longer. For now, I'd like to thank you so much for joining me here today. Let me know how you liked this class. I hope to see you soon again. Namaste.